Hi, my name is Alon Ziv and I'm XJet's Marco Manager. The fifth and the last sense in this series is the taste. XJet NanoParticle jetting is a technology based on liquid. Our ceramics and metal systems are loaded with ink cartridges. This ink is jetted by inkjet heads just like in a regular printer. The liquid evaporates during the printing and the nanoparticles of the build materials left to create a layer. We do not really expect you to drink our ink. So let's drink a glass of wine and toast for the Caramel 1400 systems. Cheers! Thank you for watching the 5 cent series from XJet.